Hi, welcome back to Sensational Summer. Science and technology experiments and activities that you can do from the comfort of your own home using things that are easy to find. Welcome back to our home. Today we're going to do an activity that is a discovery-based activity. So I'm going to explain how you're going to do it, but I'm not going to do it for you because you're going to learn what happens when you do this. And the question that I'm going to ask, the discovery question, is thinking about straws. And straws are almost always the same length. And do you ever notice that? Like it's about 10 and a half inches, 10 inches. I wonder why that is. Why, wouldn't it be cool to have a super long straw? I know I've seen straws that bend and, crazy straws and things like that. Wouldn't it be great to have like a really long straw? So we're going to do this activity and I will tell you what you need. So what you're going to need are lots of plastic straws, at least 10. We'll give you 10 in our pack. You can add more of your own, preferably those that have a little bendable part. Some scissors if you're going to do your own trimming, or we have ours that we're giving to you are already pre-trimmed. A ruler would be helpful, not required, but it's helpful for the experiment. Some Scotch type cellophane tape, a drinking glass, some water or some juice, a level surface that can get wet, or if not, something that will protect it, and also a nice sturdy chair or a table on which to stand, and hopefully an adult to spot you so that you don't hurt yourself. Next, you're going to have an adult help cut 2 half-inch slits across from one another, lengthwise in one end of the plastic straw. And these cuts are going to help you slip the end of one straw over another one. Now you're going to slip the cut end of the prepared straw over the end of an unprepared straw. And you're going to wrap the area where the straws overlap with tape so you have an airtight seal. All right, so if you have those ingredients, we're ready to go. If you don't have them, we're going to be offering some kits that you can get from the library, and they're very simple kits. They've just got about 10 straws in the kit, plus you'll get a very cute little tape dispenser that's tiny preschool size, and they're a lot of fun. But you can actually use your straws and our straws and make your giant straw, even larger. So how you're going to do this is take each straw, and on one side, you're going to make about a half-inch slit on either side and nest it into the next straw. And here, I've only got this with 2. And there you go, that is nested. And now you're going to take the tape and make a nice tight seal. This is probably the most important part of the experiment because you don't want any air to escape. And I'm not going to tell you why you don't want any air to escape. I want you to think about the reason of that. So we are exploring air pressure and atmospheric pressure when we're using a giant straw. So as you said, you're going to need some water. So you're going to test how it works with 2 straws. So make some observations and see how that works. And then I want you to repeat with a 3rd straw and a 4th straw. So as you're using your own straw, try it and see if water reaches your mouth. If no water reaches your mouth, if little or no liquid enters the straw, check your seals where you joined it. Is it airtight? If not, add some tape or undo it and redo this connection. If all the seals seem airtight, check for holes in other areas of your mega straw and seal them with tape. Play around with this first mega straw. Suck lightly to remove a little air from the straw and then suck hard to remove more air. Observe each time how high the water rises in your mega straw. What happens if you suck up more air? Why do you think this happens? It's time to add on. Attach another prepared straw to your mega straw in a similar way and then put your lengthened mega straw to the test. Remember to hold your straw vertically or close to vertically during your test. Is it functioning properly? Does it get harder to suck up the water? Keep going. Keep adding on. And test after every addition. You might have to stand on a chair carefully to test your growing mega straw. Do you find it getting harder and harder to suck up water? And if you have some bendable sections in your straw, test what happens if you keep the height of your glass and your head the same, but change the way you bend the mega straws. How do these levels compare now that you keep the difference in height unchanged? Build on. How many straws can you connect before you can no longer drink from it if you hold it vertically? Do you think there's a limit, or would you be able to build on indefinitely, as long as you could test it from higher and higher places? Some of you may have some great ideas of how to test your super straw, super mega straw, by using locations around your house and combining as many straws as you can to get maximum height. If you have some really great ideas on how to test them, please send them to us at the library, and we will post them on our website to show off your great science work. Well, I wonder how many straws you got to put together, whether you used our library kit and added some of your own, or just used your own, or any combination of the above. Please don't hesitate. Send us some of the pictures of your crazy straws, and let us know what you learned and if you enjoyed this activity. And we will see you next time at Sensational Summer. Take care.